Hello and welcome to Speak Slow English. My name is Mitchell, and I'm really happy you're here today. On this channel, we practice calm, clear, and natural English to help you feel more confident when you speak. If you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, you are in the right place. So take a breath, relax, and let's begin. Today, we are continuing with everyday conversational English. These are not sentences for only one situation. Instead, these are natural, common phrases that English speakers use every single day. You can hear these expressions at work, with friends, at home, while shopping, and in many other places. The goal today is to help you sound more natural and to understand people more easily when they speak. What makes today special is that we are using many different sentence structures. Some sentences are short, some are a little longer, some are very direct, and some are softer and more polite. This variety is very important because real English is not the same sentence again and again. When you hear and practice different structures, your brain starts to understand English in a deeper way. I will say each sentence 2 times. After that, I will give you time to repeat after me. Please try to speak out loud if you can. Speaking out loud helps your mouth, your ears, and your brain work together. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, that is completely okay. The most important thing is practice. Let's start slowly. Here is the first sentence. I'll say it 2 times. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Now please repeat. Take your time. I'm not sure about that. Good. This sentence is very common. People use it when they do not have enough information or when they are unsure. It sounds natural and polite. Now, listen to the next sentence. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. Now repeat after me. That sounds like a good idea. Nice work! You can use this sentence with friends, co-workers, or family. It shows agreement in a friendly way. Let's continue. I'll think about it and let you know. I'll think about it and let you know. Now repeat. I'll think about it and let you know. Very good. This sentence is helpful when you do not want to decide right now. It sounds calm and respectful. Next sentence. I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way. Now repeat. I didn't mean it that way. Well done. This sentence is useful when there is a misunderstanding. It helps keep conversations peaceful. Let's go on. Do you mind if I ask you something? Do you mind if I ask you something? Now repeat. Do you mind if I ask you something? Great. This is a polite way to start a question, especially with someone you don't know well. Next one. I'm just trying to understand. I'm just trying to understand. Now repeat. I'm just trying to understand. Good job. This sentence shows that you are listening and that you care about the other person's point of view. Let's keep going. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. Now repeat. It depends on the situation. Excellent. This sentence is very flexible and very common in everyday English. Next sentence. I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to it. Now repeat. I'm getting used to it. Nice. People use this when something feels new but is becoming more familiar. Now, listen carefully to the next one. From what I understand, that's correct. From what I understand, that's correct. Now repeat. From what I understand, that's correct. Very good. This sentence sounds thoughtful and careful. It shows you are not speaking too strongly. Let's continue. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. Now repeat. I wasn't expecting that. Good. You can use this sentence for surprises, both good and bad. Next sentence. Let me see if I can help. Let me see if I can help. Now repeat. Let me see if I can help. Nice work. This sentence sounds kind and supportive. Now listen. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. Now repeat. That makes sense to me. Great! This is a natural way to say you understand or agree. Let's keep moving. I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that. Now repeat. I'll get back to you on that. Very good. This is common at work and in professional conversations. Next one. I'm a bit confused about this. I'm a bit confused about this. Now repeat. I'm a bit confused about this. Nice. This sentence is polite and honest. It's much better than staying silent. Now listen carefully. That's not what I was trying to say. That's not what I was trying to say. Now repeat. That's not what I was trying to say. Good job. This helps you correct misunderstandings without sounding rude. Next sentence. Let's take a look at it together. Let's take a look at it together. Now repeat. Let's take a look at it together. Excellent. This sentence invites cooperation and teamwork. Let's continue. I see what you mean now. I see what you mean now. Now repeat. I see what you mean now. Very nice. This sentence shows learning and understanding in real time. Next one. I'm not completely sure, but I think so. I'm not completely sure, but I think so. Now repeat. I'm not completely sure, but I think so. Good. This sentence is very natural when you want to answer honestly. Now listen. Thanks for pointing that out. Thanks for pointing that out. Now repeat. Thanks for pointing that out. Great. This sentence shows appreciation and maturity. Let's keep going. That's a good question. That's a good question. Now repeat. That's a good question. Nice. This sentence works in many situations, both formal and casual. Next sentence. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Now repeat. I'll keep that in mind. Very good. This shows you are listening and remembering. Now listen carefully. I guess that makes sense. I guess that makes sense. Now repeat. I guess that makes sense. Excellent. The word guess makes the sentence sound softer and more natural. Let's continue. I'm glad you mentioned that. I'm glad you mentioned that. Now repeat. I'm glad you mentioned that. Good work. This sentence helps conversations feel warm and positive. Next one. Let me make sure I understand. Let me make sure I understand. Now repeat. Let me make sure I understand. Great! This is a powerful sentence for clear communication. Now listen. That's one way to look at it. That's one way to look at it. Now repeat. That's one way to look at it. Nice! This sentence respects different opinions. We are doing really well today. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything at once. The key is repetition and listening again and again. When you hear these phrases many times, they start to feel natural. Your brain learns patterns, not just words. Before we finish, let's slow down and take one last sentence. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better. Now repeat. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better. That sentence is very important, and it's true for all of us. Thank you so much for spending this time with me on Speak Slow English. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and it lets me know you want more lessons like this. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. This is Mitchell, and I'll see you in the next episode.